Hey everybody, it is Luke here and I'm with my dad and we are going to be fishing. We are at Fiddler's Elbow Country Club, so it's not really a good time to be fishing, but we're gonna try our best, see what we can catch. Hopefully we should catch something. I didn't get too much luck at my uncle's lake house, but hopefully we catch something, and without further ado, let's get straight into the fishing.
Bad time of day.
Yeah.
Oh, what was that?
Morning, right? When it gets hot, they just kind of chill out sometimes.
Exactly. Go deep and just kind of hang out. Want to get them in the morning. Got a couple nibbles from Sunnies or something. They just kind of peck at it, you know. They're annoying. Yeah. But never know. Might end up with something.
Oh. That was. Okay, so now.
What's this?
That's for my GoPro.
Oh, here we go.
Me and my dad are going to go hit some balls, so we'll also be recording on that. So, see you guys soon. Just arrived, and we're on the first hole. So here we go. Oh, it's okay. Do you want to hit again?
No, it's all right. All right, it's all right. Next shot. It's heavy.
Yeah. No.
All right. Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Good one.
280?
280.
Wow.
But downhill.
All right, well that's good.
You know, so you're gonna get some rollout. Why not? Go for it, right?
Yeah.
Since we're shooting, say exciting videos here. Let's make it exciting.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, just moving me forward this downhill.
Woo!
Eh,
Nice.
not really, but it'll
That was good.
It's hard to get the ball up in the air with a downhill lie like that.
Yeah.
It just wants to run into the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. Pured it. Nice. Oh, I dinged it.
Oh. Curved.
Down. It's not a good swing.
It's okay. Alright. Now we gotta hit mine.
Good ball. Run up. No, but this is how you want to play it. Let it roll up. Look at that. Yeah.
Now we are going to go look for my dad's ball.
Why don't you take video of how our members don't rake the traps out? This guy walked all the way around the moon with that thing and didn't rake.
Our members do not rake the sand. He literally walked around the whole entire thing and did not rake any of it.
Unbelievable. We'll show that to Mr. Willis.
Yeah. I should.
Go putter, dude?
Oh yeah, let me go get it. Alright, be right back. We can't really find my dad's ball, so he's still looking for it. I'm gonna help him. So it might be gone, but we're still not sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna be.
Alright,
Don't get putt.
alright. So now I have to putt, so. Oh no.
No, it's okay. Move, move, move. See the it breaks on the other side? There's a hump right there. It's all right. Pin high though. Great putt.
I don't know. Right.
Right here, it starts to move left.
Yeah.
Ooh, you yanked it. Just worry more about pace. Like, get it. Imagine it's a basketball.
Alright, so we're not gonna record next hole. We're just gonna record that hole because it's gonna take forever. But see you guys in the next video.
To the light, I'll come eventually. Every night I've loved you secretly. Yeah. Maybe this whole time I could have been by your side. Oh, if I was a little more steady. Yeah. I am a ghost. I don't wanna hide down in the dark, down in the cold. Tripping on the lines I used to walk, I used to know. I know that in time, courage, I hope I'll let you know. But then you're gonna find somebody else, someone to love. To love, someone to love, someone to love. All my words, they come silently. What if you want this as much as me? Yeah. By the time that I come to the light, will you have someone better than me?